It's like I can't walk on the ceiling.
Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with RPG Show once again. It's the same packaging as usual, so let's go ahead and get into it. Everything is professional and very clean and sleek as usual. The first thing I'm seeing in the package is the wig, all right, which we're gonna get into in a few. I got a elastic band, I got some lace tapes, also got the information card, I got a pair of wig caps and a storage bag. This is super handy for, you know what, after you wear your wig and you want to store it and stuff. It's always so convenient. So this is today's wig. This is so gorgeous. Everything is already done for you. The only thing you need to do is cut away the lace, but the lace itself is already pre-bleached, it's pre-plucked. The hair is super full. It's a body wave texture and it's super silky. It's a 13x6 lace front. As you can see, this is pre-bleached and it has combs on the inside of the cap. The cap construction is nicely done. This is RPG Show. They bring nothing but quality. The quality is always amazing, and there's also a drawstring added to the back of the cap, which makes it really convenient for my beginners to wear and install. I went ahead and I slipped this on because today we're actually doing a glueless install. I mean, you could use glue if you want with this. This is perfect for my beginners. I cut away the excess lace just so that it wasn't in my eye too much, but look at how full this wig is. It is so full. I absolutely love it. Look at that. Yeah, RPG Show always gets it right. Like, super convenient.
Feelings. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it.
So the first thing I moved on to doing is pretty much just positioning the wig along my hairline to ensure that everything looks good and natural and realistic. After which I went ahead and cut away the excess lace from around the ear portion.
Take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
So being that this is a 13x6 lace front, at the ear portion I did go ahead and apply some melting spray just to keep that portion down, because if I don't do that, then you have the option to apply the lace tapes. If there's nothing on that area, it will flap, and we don't want that. So I just went ahead and used my melting spray, and then the rest of the hairline pretty much didn't have any product at all. All right, so super easy, nothing technical. I went ahead and applied the elastic headband to just melt everything in. I left this on for around 5 minutes to really like set it in place.
I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper
went ahead and adjusted the drawstring in the back of the wig, which is again very straightforward. I adjusted the first knob and then I locked it in with a smaller one, and I tucked away the excess string beneath the wig cap. It's as easy as that. Super secure. The wig will not slip, not one bit, when you follow this step. After I was done with that, I went in with my wax stick and I laid the top of the wig just so that it didn't come off too bulky, because I feel like I wanted it to lay flatter. So definitely this step always helps with that, so everything looks more realistic.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, driven in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do.
So if you want to switch your parting up, you can definitely do that. As I said, as I showed you guys, it's a 13x6, so that definitely gives scalp. Okay, so if you want to do a side part or explore some other hairstyle, feel free to go ahead and do that. I kind of wanted to redefine the front bangs, so I went over that with my curling iron, but that's the only part I needed to do that for. Like, the wig was perfectly pre-styled, so that is super convenient and I love that.
You got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing.
And that's it. That is it. I have linked this wig down below in the description box, so if you guys want to go ahead and shop this gorgeous wig from RPG Show, it is down below along with all the specifications. It is a 10 out of 10. You can see how excited I was. Like, oh, this is flawless, elegant, beautiful, top tier. Yeah, it's quality. I love it. It's linked down below, as I said before, so check that out. That's it for today's wig look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.